What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. What I want to look at was the pi cycle top indicator. This one of the three charts that I've used in the past to help me get out of market cycles close to the top. Obviously, no one's going to nail the top, but this chart here, this has been one of the most accurate in the cryptocurrency space. And just my opinion on it, I'm sure there's going to be varying opinions on it. I believe this time we most likely are not going to see the pi cycle chart actually cross. I think we're going to get close. We may kiss, but I don't think we're going to actually cross this time. I think so many people are looking at this. My intentions would be to potentially get out or to at least trail stop losses once this blue line right here gets close to the pink line. As it continues to trend up and we get close to this pink line, that's when I would start really looking, because I think a lot of people are going to be waiting for that cross to actually take place. Back in 2017, 2018 here, when we had that cross, then the bear market really started hard. You can see this blue line, moving average, going up as soon as they crossed here. That was basically the top. And then you had your bear market. 2021, you can see the blue moving average right here. As soon as they kissed or crossed, that was essentially the top there. I mean, we're not trying to nail tops here, guys. The bottom eighth of charts and the top eighth of charts are where people lose the most money, trying to time the top, trying to time the bottom, then it keeps going lower, or you're trying to sell the top and you missed out on great gains. We really want to get the meat of the move, want to get as much as we can. And when looking at this pi cycle top indicator right now, you can see our blue moving average, which is going to be our simple moving average 111 days right here. And then in pink, we have our simple moving average 350 days times 2. And right now we have a pretty significant gap still between these moving averages. So I still think there's time left in this market. I know we've had some major liquidations, $1.7 billion worth of liquidations, but I think that's healthy for the market. I think that's going to help cleanse it a little bit, help reset some of the indicators so it can allow us to go higher. And what this potentially could just be is weekly consolidation, trying to set a weekly higher low before we potentially go higher. Because right now, looking at the pi cycle chart or top indicator here, we're not even close on these moving averages. And I believe after going sideways, whether it be a month from where we're at now, or if we correct a little bit more, I do believe we're still at least going to have one more big rally to come for Bitcoin, potentially putting us up to that $130,000, $150,000. Not guaranteed. I hope it goes higher. I know there's predictions of 250,000 and 500,000, but really, guys, I think with that 130, 150, looking at this pi cycle top indicator as well as technical analysis is really going to be the best thing that you can do and what's really going to help you. And just to give you a little more information on this indicator for those who are still around here, the pi cycle top indicator. The pi cycle top indicator is a technical tool used to identify potential peaks in Bitcoin's price cycles. Introduced by Philip Swift, Look into Bitcoin in April 2019. It leverages two key moving averages to provide insight into when Bitcoin might be approaching a local top or a cycle top. The indicator utilizes two distinct moving averages. The 111-day moving average. This moving average captures Bitcoin's short-term price trends, providing a snapshot of recent market behavior, and then the 350-day moving average multiplied by 2. This modified long-term moving average is adjusted by a factor of 2, adding an extra layer of trend analysis. The ratio of 350 to 111 is approximately 3.153, which closely resembles the mathematical constant pi, 3.142. And they said this intriguing correlation is the foundation of the indicator's name and its methodology. And, the historical performance of this, it says the pi cycle top indicator has demonstrated its effectiveness. April 2013, let's see, guys, about 4 days it got within the peak. In December 2017, on December 14th, the indicator triggered at 16,341. 3 days later, Bitcoin reached 19,927 before plummeting 84%. And then April 2021, most recently, the indicator predicted a top on April 3rd at we'll call $59,000. Bitcoin hit its all-time high of 64,816 11 days later, followed by a 53% decline. So this is one of the most accurate indicators in the space, in my opinion. It's one of my top 3. And that's my thoughts on it. I think we still have more room to run after we get through this weekly consolidation. That's my thought, guys. If you get something from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.